Hi, my name is Carly and I'm with the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about the pencil tool. The pencil tool can be found under the brush tool on the toolbar. You can also use the keyboard shortcut N. You can also find it by going to the three dots at the bottom of the toolbar, and it is located under the Draw section. The pencil tool is one of a few drawing tools in Illustrator. It allows you to create freeform shapes and lines just by drawing with your mouse. The pencil tool is pretty simple. You draw a line with your mouse and Illustrator will create a path along that line. The best thing about the pencil tool is it sort of allows you to sketch. If you redraw over a part of a line you already drew, the pencil tool will automatically change that part of your shape. That way you can make adjustments to your line or shape without having to redraw the whole thing. After you finish drawing your shape and adjusting it if needed, you're able to select it and change the properties of it, like you can with any other shape. That is a quick overview of the pencil tool. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, visit our YouTube page where you can find more videos about Illustrator as well as other software programs.